Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing a roof spoiler on the back of my Tesla Model Y. It's going to be a nice roof spoiler that attaches to my back glass here. Let's get into it. So as we do with this channel, let's start with the unboxing. I got this roof spoiler from EV Base. I've worked with them a ton, great company, and lots of aftermarket support if you need it. So let's take a look here at what's actually included in this package. First off, you get a nice instruction manual for how to attach the roof spoiler. I'm gonna go ahead and follow that. I've looked at it before. And then we get some actual hardware. Let's see, some sticky tape, some actual blue painter's tape to help with securing everything. A couple like positioning stickers, which is really nice. More of the 3M adhesive if you need it, so that's really cool. They include all that for you. Now let's look at the actual roof spoiler itself. We'll get this box out of the way. And here you go, taking a look at our first look at this actual wing spoiler. I went with a matte carbon fiber finish. I think it's gonna match some of the other accents that I have on my car. My mirror covers, my actual spoiler itself, all of that is a nice carbon fiber finish as well in this matte finish. So I really like how this kind of looks initially. It's a nice solid piece of ABS plastic. It's gonna be nice and sturdy, won't fade on you in the sun or anything like that. I think it looks really sharp. You get these nice 3M adhesive strips all the way along the back, which is how we're going to install it to that roof glass. So yeah, I mean, pretty self-explanatory installation. Let's head over to the car. I'm going to show you, we'll do some dry fitting, show you how it's going to look. Then we'll work on getting the surfaces prepped and go ahead and get this installed. So starting off with the dry fit, I just kind of want to see how this is actually going to look. I haven't removed any of the painter's tape or any of the actual 3M adhesive or anything like that. And it's just going to sit kind of right here on my actual roof glass. When it's all cinched down, you'll see it'll be nice and kind of secure there. That's kind of what it's going to look like. And I don't know, I think it's kind of sharp looking. It adds a little bit of dynamic to your actual Model Y. I think it looks kind of sharp. So let's go ahead and start peeling off some of that adhesive. We'll get the roof glass prepared and we'll go ahead and get this installed. So the first thing I like to do is prepare my surface, generally with like an alcohol wipe or something like that. But this time I'm gonna use a glass cleaner. Since I'm installing this on glass, we're just gonna use a glass cleaner. I'm gonna clean my whole glass, especially paying attention to where it's actually gonna mount up at the top here. Get off all that dust and any residue or anything like that, any waxes or oils you have on the car. This will help take all that right off. Now that my paint surface is nice and prepared, I'm going to take some time and I'm going to peel off about half of the protective strip here on this side I want to install first, which is this side. So I'm going to peel off this side part as well as about halfway down each of these so I can position this side before I have to go around and work on the other side since I'm doing this myself. That's the strategy that I came up with and what they recommended. Oftentimes, if you can't get your fingernail under these actual little clips, I find using an X-Acto knife is very helpful, so you're not peeling off the actual adhesive itself, just the little cover. So about there is what I'm going to peel off with to start. Now I'm going to go ahead and take it over to the car and try to apply it as best I can. Okay, so I left just a little tiny gap, which is what it looked like it needed when I was actually doing the dry fit, and about the same gap along the top glass here. So I'm gonna go ahead and push this side down, kind of nice and firm. And I'm gonna quickly check on the other side to make sure I like this positioning. And there you go. That's actually most of the install done. I'm going to be using some of that painter's tape so I can apply pressure and really let this sit for several hours, if not overnight. I really want this spoiler nice and attached down so it doesn't fly off. So I'm going to use that painter's tape to kind of try to make like a pressure holding kind of pattern all along the whole thing. So we're going to go work on that next after I press this down some more. So now I'm going to work on using some of this painter's tape to really just apply some pressure and keep pressure along the entire length of the actual spoiler here, just to help keep it, down, keep some pressure on it while that adhesion is sticking. So I've put this down put some nice kind of pressure in the tape is what I want to do, and then pull it along and across and down. So it's actually applying pressure the whole time to the different areas of the spoiler. And here's what it looks like after I spent some time applying the tape to try to just add pressure and keep it kind of nice and secure while it dries. I'm gonna let this sit for a few hours. We're gonna come back and remove all this tape, and then we'll kind of get some final shots of how it looks out in the sun. Well, there you guys go. It's all installed. It's actually super secure. I gave it a few yanks to see how it actually feel on there. I have no worries about any of this ever coming off when I'm driving around in my Tesla, going through a car wash or anything like that. I really dig the look. I think it adds a little bit of, I don't know, just character, just something different to every other Tesla you see kind of out there. I have a lot of other carbon fiber accessories on my Tesla, the actual mirror covers, I have the actual carbon fiber spoiler, I have some mirror caps, stuff like that. I really like the carbon fiber look. Some of you guys hate it, that's fine. This spoiler also comes in a gloss black, matte carbon fiber, and a glossy carbon fiber. So you can kind of accent and customize to your choice. I got this spoiler, like I said, from EV Base. Right now, if you use the code GAMBLE1080 right here on the screen, I think it saves you about 20% on their website. So it's actually a pretty good deal. So make sure you check it out if you're ever interested in anything for your Tesla. I'd highly recommend shopping with EV Base. They've been a big channel partner for a long time. I should mention that any discount code you use is an affiliate code. So we do make a very small commission if you do purchase anything with the code GAMBLE1080. It helps out the channel at no additional cost to you. So thank you guys for doing that. If you're interested in anything else I've done to my Tesla, check out my Amazon storefront right here in the bottom of the screen and in the description. Check it out there. Appreciate you guys coming back to the channel as always. Take care. Have a great day. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.